You should eat it now. You don't have to wait.
Cucumber salad. Could use a little salt maybe.
Oh, that's
This is what yours.
Yeah, that's good stuff. That's what they call it.
Oh, it looks gross now.
but it's delicious.
Yeah, it's ugly delicious.
I know, this is one of my favorite breakfast foods in Vietnam.
I wanted these one more. I mean, it's a roll.
Alright guys, we just made it to the Bai Dinh Temple Pagoda. Oh, it's freaking amazing. Look at this lush. Yeah.
What do you think he under?
These doors, I wonder why they make it so inconvenient. Right? So you got
They keep out animals?
Oh.
Smart.
Like.
The same ancient.
Those are the back ones.
You can.
What about you?
I've been looking for this ancient bathroom forever. I really gotta go.
The view that you saw? No. So they had us put on these
Beautiful
things,
garbs.
pillowcases.
There's different colors you can choose.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
All shades of brown.
Between these two.
Look at these nun fashionistas. Fashionista monks.
Nice on you guys.
Yeah, it does look nice. Wow. That boy. Alright. Whoa, look at this whale. Look, it's a Vietnamese Christmas tree.
That's very cool.
Oh, they have cool bonsais too. Look at this.
No, they maintain it so
Wow.
Wow, that's pretty intricate.
Hey, is that what ours supposed to grow into?
No.
Oh.
Maybe. Actually, no. The leaves look really different.
It's very hard to maintain.
They look kind of similar to me. I don't know. We'll
It
see.
looks like a ficus, but
Watch. I didn't know my cousin was a botanist.
Yeah, ficus.
it looks like
I'm
a
not
ficus.
even sure what a ficus looks like. I thought they were big
Whoa,
trees.
these are cool.
Ooh, these look so much cooler than the pink ones.
Yeah.
The future.
Excavating. Oh, we're not supposed to film. Avert your eyes, children. Old ladies are the original starters of OnlyFans. this buffalo's name is Huey.
Chewy?
Huey.
Huey.
Hey, Huey. You got licking your nostrils?
Did he have beef tongue?
Yeah. Do you think he looks more like a Vin or a Huey?
It looks kind of sad. I was gonna post this, but it looks
Kind of like.
Ooh, there's all these bugs on him.
Oh no, that's. Yeah, take it.
Oh my god!
Okay, go.
Oh, I got it.
I didn't even see if anybody was in that particular. Oh my god, that was really interesting.
Antenna. What was that?
That was so weird.
Wow, Rhoda, you're very patient. He didn't freak out. We just got here to the Trang An boats. You're just gonna buy your tickets here. This is the ticket office. So the prices was $250 per person, and it's 4 to a boat, or you can buy out the whole boat for two for a boat. So that's more expensive. So it'll be $1 million total if you wanted to buy out the boat. But you get 4. There's like 3 different paths you can take. The first one, I believe.
Oh, you choose?
Yeah.
Oh, what kind of
This
sites
one you'll
do
see
you-
the most, but then I don't think we need to see everything. I think the middle one is the best.
Oh, you looked at it?
Yeah.
What is?
All right, we got these rice hats because it's gonna be kind of sunny, and it protects us from the hotness. Yeah, these are rice paddy hats. But we were able to bargain it down to $1 each, so it's like 25,000 each, and you could buy it right at the ticket counter. So pretty good deal.
Yeah.
They have more ornate ones, but those cost like
The painted ones?
$3.
They were 75.
Yeah, $3.
That's cool.
All right, let's head out. Maybe.
Wait, did you get a smaller size?
You just gotta adjust it. All right, we just walked out across the street, but you're not supposed to walk across the street. In the ticket counter, there's a part right. You make a left, and then you go down, and it goes under to the bridge to the boats. Over there, dumbasses. They're both gonna be weighing low.
Oh my goodness, how do we? Oh my god. Wait, the two in the front?
Yeah, 2 in the front.
Oh my gosh.
Close we are to the water.
Oh my goodness.
They can't handle all this jelly. That was a pretty easy experience, right? Just get the tickets, go underground. Make sure to put on bug spray. There's a lot of bugs, like crazy looking ones.
Maybe because
Oh shoot. I haven't think of anything. Hang Lam.
Hang Lam.
Hang Lam Cave.
Hang Lam Lam.
Oh, this looks crazy.
put your phones on. Put your phones
Okay.
on. Look straight.
Look straight.
No, I'm gonna take a photo. Okay, wait.
Wow.
So they just dropped us off at the first stop, and it looks like some kind of pagoda. What's it?
Yeah. Pagoda.
So the original pagoda dates
looks
back
pretty
over
nice.
a millennium. Historical records placed its foundation to like 1136 under the Li dynasty by Zen master Wen Min Kong, who chose the natural caves on Bai Dinh Mountain as a contemplative retreat. Even earlier, Emperor Din Tong Huang said he wanted to erect a sacrificial altar here to pray for favorable weather during the Din dynasty, and I think it worked because it's the status of a sacred site now.
Oh, look at this tree. So magical.
Wow.
This looks unreal.
I will be taking you to Ninh Binh.
Oh, deep. Oh, shoot.
Oh, the pirates like for me. Someone's ass was impeding the rower.
Michael, you fart?
No. Try not to fart right now.
Hey, how is she rowing?
She's oh goddamn.
Is she like lean backwards?
Whoa, look at this stalagmite.
Stalagmite.
Making me think of that movie.
Oh.
Song of what is that? Low.
Get low.
This one to the right?
No, right here, behind us, right here.
Oh my.
She's turning us.
The cabana.
David.
David, yeah.
It's a
Whoa,
David.
this is a legit dining table.
Oh yeah, that's pretty.
Cool.
Cool.
Yeah, what is this? You guys want to go out there?
Phá cực lỗ. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Wow. Đẹp quá. We finally found Juliet's spirit family.
Oh my god, they're so cute.
The turtle gang.
Ooh.
Gang. Turtle gang.
I'm not sure. I don't know. This is beautiful though. Right?
All the turtles look a little different too.
Hey, yeah, I was gonna say that too. They're all a little bit different. Aww. Lady, okay. Where do we go to get you?
Let's-
Wow.
It's a pretty nice tent.
This is what you see at Joshua Tree.
Wow. There's garlic. Okay. Wow. Okay, got it. That's 21 plus?
Yeah, I don't even know what that is.
Yeah.
Because all I want to get
We just got done with the Trang An River and we are at a goat place. The first place we went to, they closed at 2, so I don't know if they really closed at 2 or not. Because they were still
Reopen at 4.
and they said to reopen at 4, but there seemed like a lot of people there. But I read reviews that they turn away foreigners, so my Vietnamese is not good enough for them to think that I'm not. Yeah, it's pretty nice though. There's like a nice view. And this is a strictly goat place.
Yeah, it sounds like a plum.
So these are the condiments. I don't know what kind of sauce this is. Let's see.
Olive garlic.
Nice. Is this like fried garlic?
Hold it.
Grilled. Okay, I'm not.
I hope it's not gamey.
What?
Actually, it's not bad.
Is there gaminess or no? There's no gaminess? I'll tell you that.
This one has no game.
It's kind of good. It's kind of alright.
Oh, sheesh. It's a little gamey?
It was a garlic.
This one wasn't gamey.
It was not?
I mean, it's not bad, but
Eat it with the garlic. Yeah, kind of tastes like
I'm really not okay with gaminess, but let me try a small little piece. I don't even know what piece to
good.
get.
Alright, here have go.
This one? Nah, that one's tolerable.
crispy rice. And then there's this broth that you dip it into.
Try it. Oh, that's mucusy. You see that?
lovely description.
What are you coughing?
Viscous.
Just gotta go for it. Oh, it's kind of comforting. Like, it's just cornstarch.
Yeah, cornstarch with it has a taste.
It has a taste.
It has a taste. I don't know what's that taste.
Tastes like rice cakes.
Is this gamey? Okay, we ordered chicken.
Some mountain chicken.
Come on. What is this for?
I think this is the snake egg.
This is just snake eggs? Okay, this snake eggs should be pretty delicious. Okay. This one's not too bad. I like the garlic.
I'm okay with it.
Yeah, not too gamey at all. Okay. You should know what this is. Yay.
Is it morning glory? Looks like it.
I think so, yeah.
We're to Mula Cave right now. And
So exhausted.
yeah, we're pretty
But
tired.
we're gonna do it. 500
do it.
steps, baby. Let's go.
It's 100,000 per person. Got our ticket.
But one thing I want to tell you, because from here we want to see the we go straight up to the top.
Top. I can't really look at her.
This is the start of the summit.
That's power saving. Then.
Whoa, what a beautiful view.
It's good already. Oh man.
Yeah.
No. Back. Oh, this way.
I thought the goat meat was gonna help us climb this mountain a little easier. Did not.
That wasn't too bad at all. You can take as many breaks as you want. They have little half steps on the incline, which actually helped me because I have shorter legs, but worth it. For sure.
Did the goat meat earlier help you climb the mountain a little bit?
Yeah,
better?
I think it gave me extra stamina. Yeah, strength. It's beautiful up here. Stunning, breathtaking views. So glad there's a breeze up here.
It's up. Because Tiger Cave. What the heck? Looks really creepy. So it's gonna come with the skewers too.
It looks so light.
Yeah, we're gonna need it right now. Yeah, cut it and just wrap it.
Go back.
No, like.
It's soft.
I want to find this now.
This is regular buncho. And then
Like seven
buns.
banchos and 18 lemon wong sticks.
That's $5.
Dude.
Yeah, we're like
I'm full.
really full.
There's still left over.
Someone's still working on it right now, but almost about $6. That's insane. We just had 7 bun sales, but we saw this bun boom stand and we couldn't resist, so we're probably gonna get one to go.